welcome back to the Four Sisters channel, and as you know, we are going to be doing fidget. Well, we're going to be showing you fidgets, okay? So, let's start off. I have a bunch of these. They stretch real far. It's so fun. And I got the thick ones. Boop, boop, boop. These are all my fidgets. If you could see them, I would let you. But I can't really turn my camera around, so let's get started. So, first up, I have this very stretchy, highlighted pink monkey noodle. It's just a very pretty pink. It's a highlight pink, and you just stretch it very, very far. Like, you can also have one person hold this end and the other person hold the other end and see how far it stretches, okay? But it's super fun to play with. It's very stretchy, and it's a very pretty color. So I hope you get this one because it's just fun. Because monkey noodles, I think they're made to stretch and stuff, yeah. So I don't remember what this is called, but we're just gonna call it a fidget block, okay? Because it's like a little block, you see? And it's a fidget. So this is very fun to play with. It makes a little clickety-clackety noise, and it's fun to hear and play with, because like you can make it to any shape you want. Like I'm gonna make it into a rectangle, okay? I'm gonna make this into a rectangle. Can't make it into the best rectangle, but you can make it into rectangles. Hear the noise, it's fun. So please get that. Monkey noodles and the fidget block. Okay, here is a very good poppet, okay? Sorry, I have a little runny nose. Oh, I forgot to show. It's a poppet. It's one of my best poppets, okay? It's a red apple poppet. It has no bad sides. So please order this poppet on Amazon. It's about $3 to $5. It has no hard sides, and you know, I hate hard sides. Sometimes I like them because it just makes my fingers feel, go in. So this has no bad sides. It's fun. It's a really pretty red color. It's like not the dark red, but the light red. So please get this. There's also a green poppet, but that's my sister's. We have it here. So yeah. So we're gonna move on to the next one. So please get that one on Amazon too. $3 to $5 again, and it's super fun. Okay. So we have this we have this box. Okay, so it's in a box right now. You see? Box. Flip it like that, and then go like that, and then go like that, and then go like here. Look, so I need to do this, and then go done, done. Then it turns back into the square, and then that, and then that, and then that. See, it's super fun, because like you can go done, 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 done. So look up box, a fidget box, okay? It's super fun, because like you can make it into any shape. When you keep it in a square, go to the top and go chick, and then go to the side, hold it like that, and then go chick. Because it's very fun to play with, I promise you. And yeah. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing all these smiley faces on my shirt and this smiley face necklace, is probably because they're in style. So I'm also gonna put in some smiley face earrings, but I also have these smiley face slippers I got for Christmas. They're and they're just fun to play with. So I'm smiley faced up, if you'd like to say that. Alright, let's move on. So this is also a good poppet. Well, fidget. It's a P. Okay, so like you go to the bottom and you pop it up. And it has a really, I turned it backwards. It has a really cute face. And you can also put fidgets on your backpack if they have a keychain like this, you know. And you just pop, 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 pop. So they're fun, so order those on Amazon. And I don't really know what these are for. They're called a chain, a fidget chain. I mean, I guess you just play with it and like I think you do that and then go. I really don't know what this is for, but buy this. Okay, so next we have this other pink monkey noodle, like I told you, highlighted pink, very stretchy pink monkey noodle. It's fun to play with, and so yeah, you already know about that. Because I have 2 of them. I have 8 monkey noodles, that's a lot. Now we have this really, really, really fun thing. They're probably one of my favorite fidgets. They're a little mochi. Aren't they so cute? It's like a little pig mochi, and like they stretch. Yeah, they stretch. You feel them. They're very, very soft. So, yeah, order those. They're well, yeah, I like mochis. They're my favorite. They're really cute. I love animals, so I just think they're cute. But next, we have this other chain, like I told you. It's a blue chain, though. That other one was a green one. Okay, so order these, I guess. I don't know what they really are. They're called a chain. But please order them. I guess they're just fun to play with. Next, we have this. Also, this is my favorite mochi. It's this little koala. It's my favorite color, teal. And it's just a really, really, really cute one. You know, it's just, you can squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. It's fun. So, yeah. And at the end, I'll show you all the poppets and fidgets I have. So, yeah. Please order this one on Amazon. It's so cute. It's soft. I love mochis. They're just really soft and squeeze. And, like, whatever you want to squeeze something, just squeeze a mochi. Oh, also, before... Okay, hold on. Let me introduce all these before I get to the fun part. Okay? So, we have this blue. This is also my second favorite color. Teal's my first favorite color, but blue's my second because they're kind of close. And you see, it's stretchy. It's a dark blue color. And remember, just make it into anything you like. And sometimes it doesn't really hurt that bad when one of your friend pulls. Like, you know, it will look like this, but like it's way stretchier. But when one of the friend like lets go because it's so far, it goes bounce backs at you and it goes shoop, and it's really fun. So please get monkey noodles. Well, you know what, guys? Actually, never mind. So let me put this back. Okay. Now, I don't know how I ended up with these 2 mochis. Okay, but they're cat twins. See, aren't they so cute? They're like twins. See? Sometimes you can like hold their bellies and go boom, 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 boom. Like put your thumb in there. Like just get your mochi and hold it like that, and then put your thumb in there and squeeze in the stomach, and its head goes boop, boop, boop. Okay, and you can stretch its arms and its legs and its ears. Okay, so it's super fun, just like this one, exact same thing. So please get these 2 mochis. You can either get 1, but they're twins. I don't know how I ended up with 2. So now we have this highlight color, because a normal highlight color monkey noodle. It's fun, like I said, stretch it, pull it, yeah, that's what it is. And this is a really pretty yellow. It's a highlighted yellow. So yeah, you already know what this is. Remember the fidget block. Yeah, the fidget block. Make it to anything you want. And it's clickety-clackety. So yeah, very fun. Okay, now I got this. It's a Trimple Dimple. It's fun. It has hard sides, okay? But I just think the hard sides are good. They're fun to play with. There's a keychain thing. See, my friend Maggie gave it to me, and yeah, it's super fun. So please order a I can't really say it. Triple dimple on Amazon. It's fun. There's dimples, simple dimples, and triple dimples. So please order all of them. So this is super fun too. But yeah, for some reason I have 2 pinks and 2 blues. Like I told you, super fun. Let it stretch, bounce back. So yeah, it's super pretty blue. Yeah. We have this purple monkey noodle. It's a very pretty purple. It stretches, like I said. I don't really have to explain monkey noodles to you. I'm just really explaining the colors, how they're fun, pretty colored, and yeah. So stretch them as far as you can. Okay. Now this is also one of my favorites. The fidget spinner, or if you call it a fidget popper, you can spin it. Oh, let me go get that. Hold on 1 second. Ow. Okay. Hit my knee on the table. Okay. So fidget spinner, fidget popper. Fidget poppet, fidget popper. Either one. And you can do that. Stop it, and then you can also, it's kind of like a poppet. So yeah, it's also fidget spinner, poppet. It's fun. It's just really fun to play with. Like, it's a popular one. It's a very popular fidget. Okay, so I have a lot of fidgets. It's just insane. Have this other monkey noodle. I have a lot more to go. I'll explain to you guys because I don't want to do this really anymore. But yeah, fun, stretchy, pretty orange. There you go. Marble mash. Fun to play with. Blue marble mash. Fun to play with. Marble push. Fun to play with. Okay. Now here's also a stress ball. It's fun. It's a very nice stress ball. Okay? So stress balls are very fun. And yeah. Now we have this tangle here. Okay? Tangles are fun, and I really like tangles, but please order everything on Amazon that I show you. Let me put this tangle back on. Oh, there we go. Tangles, big tangles, a little basketball. It's a mini basketball. Boo. Okay. So get the basketball, please. Okay. Get the basketball. It's fun to play with. Shoot it in a mini basketball hoop or a big one, whichever one. Have the smoochy again. And, oh, hold on. Have this other again. Oh no, I have so many of those. My favorite at all is this glow-in-the-dark dinosaur poppet. It's my favorite. It does not have a bad side. It's fun. Okay, so just please get that. And last but not least, the green highlighted monkey noodle. Okay, now I'm gonna show you them all. Okay, so let me get my slippers on. I know it's 1:30 in the morning. No, in the afternoon. 1:30 in the morning. 1:30 in the afternoon. It feels. The only reason I'm wearing my slippers is because I woke up at like 9:45 this morning, and yeah. So let's show you them. All the poppets and all the fidgets, and the poppets and all the fidgets. Yeah. Okay. So please subscribe to our channel and have a good day. Bye, YouTubers.